In a forest town not far away lived Freddy the Fox, who loved to play. But one bright morning he had a dream to be a firefighter on the rescue team. He wore a red hat and shiny boots, rode the fire truck vroom with flashing flutes. He rang the bell, it's time to go down the fire pole, whee, to the fire below. Freddy the Firefighter Fox, brave and fast around the blocks, helping friends and saving the day, putting out fires the foxy way. Woo woo, splash splash, here he comes, drumming on the truck with firefighter drums. One day, the owl gave a shout, the bakery's smoking, we need help out. Freddy jumped up with his team of three, a raccoon, a rabbit, and a bumblebee. They raced through town with flashing lights, through sunny roads and starry nights. Freddy yelled, "Team, let's work as one." They sprayed the hose till the job was done. Freddy the Firefighter Fox, brave and bold around the clocks, sliding, splashing, quick to dash, helping friends with the firefighter splash. Ding ding, honk honk, Fox on call, saving little kittens and stopping it all. Teaches kids to stay away from matches, flames, and sparks that play. Stop, drop, and roll, he sings with cheer. Firefighters help, so don't you fear. Now every year they hold a show where Freddy waves and kids all know to clap and cheer and sing along to Freddy's brave and fire-safe song. He gets a medal, gold and bright, for saving lives and doing right. He bows and says, "Be safe today," then zooms away. Hooray! Freddy the Firefighter Fox, with siren songs and clever talks, he's the hero kids adore, with firefighter boots and so much more. Spray the hose and ring the bell, Freddy the Fox keeps us safe and well.